Oh my god, hi, how are you? Welcome back. So today I thought would be a really cute idea if we did a little update on my apartment tour from when I first moved in 5 years ago, which was, well, God, back in 2014. Why can't I add up? So, here's another tour. This is where the place has been, and this is what I've been up to in the last 5 years. This is the lounge room. You can see the lounge room. We've got some installations of some small children here. Yes, we've got my little booth here. And then we have my little Chandler down here. Yeah. And then, what else we got? So, you know, like we've sort of filled this place out a little bit, you know. I have, since the last, you know, apartment tour I had, I've sort of developed a real affinity for plants. So you can see plants are plenty. Plants are plenty. I've got a lot hanging up on my window up here. So you can see I've got like my little vines. I'm loving vines and ivy and all kinds of like glorious little things. So that's the kitchen. So then, you know, you've seen the rest, blah, 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 not that exciting. Moving upstairs. Oh dear. I just thought this would be a really interesting sort of like idea to see, you know, this versus how my apartment used to look because, yeah, I don't know, growth and shit, you know? So, yep, here, second level, you know, not much has changed here. 2 bedrooms, but one member of the house has moved out, so it's just me and one other gal. So what we've done with the other bedroom is turned it into a storeroom slash where I shoot a lot of my tutorials. So if we have a look, you can see this is my little setup. So this is what it looks like outside of the actual video setting. So I've got a little ring light and a Glamcore attached to the one stand. It's actually a really small little space, but it gets the job done. Moving upstairs. So this is probably where most of the change has happened. Oh, still so exhausting running up these stairs. So, so you can see we've got a few more plants and things. Couches have changed. So this is probably going to be the biggest change, and this is, like I was saying about the plants, here's a few more plants. But out here, do you recall in the original video how the place had absolutely zero, like this balcony out here had nothing. Ta-da! So you can see we've got like lots of little plants. This is my little sanctuary where I like to hang. I've got my little chair here, so I like to sort of sit and just be with my plants, you know. Oh God, it's bright. Too much sunlight, Let's go back inside. But that is my little green place where I like to sort of hang. I'd like you to meet one other little friend that I have here, and this is Rory. Oh, hey! She's my little dumpling, and I love her. Hey, say hello. Hey, don't be antisocial. Come back. Oh, you're so small. She's so small, and I love her. Ah. So here is my boudoir. This is where all the magic happens. That is where I keep all my lovely, like, limited edition cosmetics that I don't really wish to use, things that I collect over the years. It's all here. Then over here is my makeup station, which I've downsized actually quite a bit. I've put a lot of my makeup into several kits, so now I have 3 separate makeup kits because I had a bit of an epiphany in this room. I was considering downsizing my bed in order to make room for more storage, and I was just like, all right. I said that to one of the girls at work, and she's like, literally, that's like putting a chastity belt around you, getting a single bed, like priorities, you know. So I have decided to favour Dick over makeup. Isn't my view pretty? Like, see, it's like you get this gorgeous, oh, beautiful day, and somewhere over there is the city. So, you know, we get some really nice views at night there as well. So this is my abode, and this is what I've done with it. So, you know, what do you think? Do you like? I don't really care if you don't, so YOLO, I'm not changing shit. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you around, give you an update, and yeah, have a great one. I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye-bye.